tool I am going to teach about the single row marking tool and single column marking tool. So selection me there is no much use, but in design lot of use this tool. I'll showcase some of the ways I used to work on these tools. If I want a line, so what I'll do, I'll want a line, then I'll be vertical line. I'll just click on this. Then select stroke. So I'll put 4 or 5. Okay. Then on one vertical horizontal stroke, then I will do one vertical stroke. And then I'll put again edit stroke. So this is the one easy way we can do this. Okay, why did I mistake? I put it everything on background layer. So what I want to do, I put it on a separate layer, edit stroke. Okay, I'm putting layer and layer style. It would be looking good. Okay, then Control D. I'm putting another layer. I'm putting a horizontal, vertical, then edit stroke. Again same, again layer style. I'm applying layer style on bevel and boss. Okay, then Control D. So now you can see one design you got like this. Sometimes I'll do okay. Some of the designs I'll do like this also. One more and shift. Okay, I need to move a little bit and I'm control delete again layer. It's up to you what the type of design you want. I'm just giving some examples. Then I am bevel and emboss. Okay. So this type of designs I'll do. If you only give drop shot also it is looking good. This is a one way I used to work. Okay, I'm putting everything on control E, then I'm putting on hiding this. Another way what I'll do, I'll check like this, same way I'll take it. I'll put a row here, I'll put one. Some of the designs may be one like this. Edit stroke. I don't know what is happened. Some bug was there in between, so I'm not saying in 3. I'm selecting the color as black. Then I'm saying OK. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just coming here, I'm edit layer style. I'm not doing bevel and emboss, I'm giving only applying drop shadow. So in drop shadow I just apply some white color. Spread I don't want. Distance is close. Opacity is more. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I just drag these lines. So this is a one-way design also we used to do. It is little bit left side and just okay. You can also need to go and zoom that area and do that to extend it. What I'll do, I'll create one group, then for easy for me to any changes easily can make it. So now you can create like some of the brochure or anything you can design. Again, same thing. If you click Control T, then you can also create like this. I want to move the corner like this. There is a designs we want like this, so you can create it. So this is a multiple ways you can use this tool. I only given what is a commercial use. This is a way the use tool. Most of the teachers will say, I don't have much use on this tool. This is a way used to say, no, this is a lot of use in commercial. For a line to draw a line, otherwise you need to take path and everything. It is not easy. So please practice it, what I explained in this tutorial.